Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can view absolutely all blocked phone numbers on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. And in order to see all the blocked contacts you have, you will need to go to your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit until you find your phone settings. You click on them. Then also scroll down a little bit. And at the very bottom you will see a section called Blocked Contacts. You click on that, and that's how you can see all the cell phone numbers or any emails that you have blocked on your phone. And what can you do with them? First of all, you will be able to see the information about the blocked contact. For example, if you click on any of the contacts, you'll see the phone number, maybe some more information about that contact. You'll also be able to add new ones if you click on Add New at the bottom. And that way you can select some other number from your contact list that you'd like to block. As well as, you will be able to unblock any contact. For this, you will just have to swipe from the right side to the left some contact. You'll get the word unlock and you tap on it. This is the way, friends, you can easily see all your blocked phones and numbers on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, give your likes, and see you soon.